Hi and welcome back to another Inside BNB Host Platform video. In the previous video, I showed you how to add your first property. Now, on the main page, I have the property I just added, but I can add as many as I need. Again, on the left side column, I have only 3 links. The one to switch the language to a different one and the one that shows a quick help page. To enable all the platform pages, I need to choose which property I want to analyze. This is because, as I said before, I can have multiple properties and I can switch from one to another one. But right now I have only one property, so I select that one. The platform takes me to a new page and I can see that, on the left bar, now I have several pages enabled. We will look deeper at each one in our next videos. Right now I am on the neighbors page. On that page, I can see 500 neighbors properties around our property, sorted by distance. For each property, I can see a competitiveness index, calculated by the host platform based on various factors and the most important features of each property. Browsing this list, I can identify properties that I consider to be direct competitors or those that are no competitors at all. But, as you can see, at the moment I have on that page villas, apartments, rooms and so on. This could be useful, but now I'm focusing on finding my top competitors. To make this task simpler, I can use filters. I click the filters button on the top bar and a filter pop-up opens. Here I can filter neighbors' properties based on a lot of options. The property type, the availability of instant booking, the maximum number of guests, bedrooms, beds and bathrooms, the bathroom type, private or shared, the property rating, the minimum and maximum allowed stay length, the number of reviews, the distance from our property, and, finally, the weekly and monthly discount rate. I can manually select those values I want to use as a filter or use the Magic Filters button. This button automatically set for you the best filter to easily identify those properties that are more probably competitors. Okay. I'm happy with the magic button selection, so I can apply those filters. Now all the properties I see on the neighbors page are filtered by the filter I set. Again, I see 500 properties. This is because the platform set a higher radius to find 500 properties. The platform can expand the radius up to 20 kilometers. Okay. I can see that almost every property's competitiveness index is now higher than before. That means that those are the most probable competitors. If I want, I can click each property link to see the property page on Airbnb. I now randomly select some competitors from this list and also hide some other properties. The properties I set as competitors are now tagged with a competitors ribbon. I can remove and add properties as competitors just by clicking the Add and the Remove button. The properties that I have hidden are now gone so that I can concentrate on other properties. There are 2 other pages I show you now. They are very similar. The first page is the competitors page. Here I find all the properties I previously set as competitors. And also from here, I can change properties to be no more tagged as competitors. This is useful because I can see the list of all competitors. On the neighbors page, those properties are mixed with others, or it could happen they are not shown because of a specific filter I'm using at a specific moment. The second page is the hidden properties page. From here I can unhide a property if, by mistake, I have hidden a property and I change my mind. Okay. I showed you in this video how to look at neighbors' properties, how to filter those properties and how to create and manage a competitors and a hidden properties page. In the next video, I will show you the neighbors calendar and the competitors calendar.